international level, South Africa has signed and ratified the African. In these lines, South Africa submits annual activity reports to the African Union Commission on measures taken to advance the rights of women. South Africa has also signed and ratified or acceded to various other conventions, such as the UN Convention on the Elimination of women in South Africa are still faced with the gender discrimination and other gender-based violence in their workplaces and at home. These are obstacles that need to be and others. In conclusion, President Zuma reminded us we no longer be underestimated and reduced to the traditional predominantly society, and in particular in the workplace. In a development-based environment, the fundamental premise for the entry onto the
last thing now too, because of their gender. And as I said, it is the responsibility of all of us to do something so that women take up their rightful positions in society. And then also, if you think about discrimination in place, they are victims of war and they are victims of trafficking. Just a national budget, what they thought the budget decision-making structures, you get a different picture. But Professor Trivedi, he's the Chancellor of the Global Open University of Arunachal Pradesh. Oh my God, that's right. And he's also a patron of the Women International University.
Important guests, awardees, ladies and gentlemen, everybody has to become global. Coming to the history of South Africa, of India, our father of the nation, I'm not there. Other younger persons after 50 years will be able to give birth to development, and it will be known as mind. So, the headquarters will be in India. After we create the MED International Network for Development, MIND will be either headquarters. We have been seeing out of the women folks, the same people are being seen. I am seeing in this auditorium are all the young faces and new faces. Not that they have to be only young, they may be old. Very soon, women not only in India or in South Africa, but all over the world, I am 100% sure, women will be so much empowered that they will not only be educated, they will also be educated to have the control of Muslim society. The last but not the least, I would also advocate that women must learn the art and science.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. And please make
the message was there, but we've got the news. Any moment, Kapil Sibal will be joining. Indian women are there for you. Indian women are there for the global cause, for women. Each and every woman present on this mother.
Welcome to the Women's Day, South African Women's Day program that we've conducted in collaboration with the Women's International Network. Thank you.
A system that has relegated women to the kitchen and allowed children only.
The standing ovation for Mr. Kapil Sibal. Honorable Minister of Communication and Information Technology and Law and Justice, Mr. Kapil Sibal. आपका बेसब्री से इंतजार पल की रीति आपकी एक
छलक को बेकरार, आपके आने से आई है कुछ ऐसी बहार कि मिल जाए आपके लिए खुशियां बेशुमार। जी अभी round of applause for Mr. Kalyan ji. Now I will.
Women's International Network.
Wow.
इतने और
And now I would like to call on the stage a nice, very beautiful, gracious, gorgeous, Miss Anamika Yaduvanshi, और वो आपके बीच एक वेलकम स्पीच रखेंगी. Please जोरदार तालियां.
Also is the Minister of Science and Technology of Earth Science in first Manmohan cabinet. In July 1998, Sir has been nominated as member of Upper House of the Indian Parliament from state of Bihar. Sir has served as Additional Solicitor General of India from December 89 to December 90. Also remained President of Supreme Court Bar Association on 3 occasions. On personal note, he is a qualified eyewitness.
रोशनी के साथ ये संसार रोशन हो, हमारी सोच और भी रोशन हो. एक नए प्रकाश के साथ हंसती हूँ, मुझसे यही पहचान. दोस्तों मैं चाहूंगी इस लाइटिंग ऑफ द लैंप में आप अपनी तालियों का साथ देते रहिए. प्लीज क्लैप. थैंक यू सो मच. आपकी प्रेजेंस का हमें गुमान मिलता है कि आप यहाँ हैं.
Even Madam High Commissioner, please come. General Executive. Aye, please. So please. Thank you.
Indian society for this.
Ms. Rekha Udit, Chairperson of the Women International Network, High Commissioner, South Africa, Madam High Commissioner, Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi, Chancellor of the Global Open University, distinguished member of the Legislative Assembly of Delhi, Kuwait Karan Singh, belongs to my constituency. Distinguished awardees, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. At the very outset, I would like to salute the Universal Humanity awardees, our unsung heroes that the media, but can also serve as powerful tools in advocating for and achieving the protection of affected civilian populations. For instance, negotiations and arguments for access to people can be strengthened by reference to specific legal obligations of the parties to the armed conflict to permit access. The IHL frameworks comprise different branches of international law, wherein the humanitarian principles of humanity and impartiality are combined with established legal frameworks for protection of human rights and revenue perspectives. Because of a flash flood and the associated landslides that resulted with recurring cyclones that we read about in the east coast of North America and many other natural calamities that have occurred around the world. That companies will have the opportunity to sponsor a work, and then each time some contribution or a donation, as the case may be. I would thus like to urge my friends from the corporate sector present here to come forward to sponsor their corporate phrase or jingle to the UN campaign. I'm also heartened to see WIN cultivating a society especially of women, engaged, informed and compassionate, who have shared a goal of alleviating human suffering and promoting well-being of the most vulnerable. And I see in this movement women playing a very central role. Women, in a sense, are both the victims of suffering around the world in various situations, but are also those who extend a helping hand to those who are suffering.
May I call all the people from South African High Commission, please? All the delegates from South African High Commission, make it fast, please. Yeah, thank you. You can get photographed with our Honorable Minister. May we have the second round, please? Youngsters. Yeah, only. Thank you, Kashmir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir, for basically
को गाइड करा जाए ताकि हम अवार्ड सेरेमनी स्टार्ट कर सकें। उनका हौसला बढ़ाएंगे इस अवार्ड के साथ। अस्तित्व मुझसे मेरी पहचान देता है ईश्वर। ये अस्तित्व और ये जिंदगी हमें देता है ईश्वर। इस जिंदगी में बहुत सारे रंग देता है ईश्वर। इस जिंदगी को जीने का ढंग देता है ईश्वर। और आज इसी अस्तित्व का हम सम्मान करने वाले हैं। वुमेन वर्ल्ड मैनेजरियल अवार्ड के साथ मैं चाहूंगी ये सेरेमनी शुरू की जाए। किनारे बदल जाएंगे, नजर को बदलो, नजारे बदल जाएंगे। कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं, दिशाओं को बदलो, किनारे बदल जाएंगे। आप सब ताली बजा सकते हैं। नामुश्किल को समझ मुश्किल, नामुश्किल को समझ मुश्किल, सरे मुश्किल कुचल मुश्किल। अगर कोई शब्द निकलेगी इसी मुश्किल से निकलेगी।
Thank you. Mr. Lalji, please come. I would call John to do this. Kavita Ashok, she's currently the director of the
We look forward for more services from you.
Thank you, Madam, for raising the occasion.
Congratulations.
This one belongs to you.
Nidhi Gupta, the Sigma Group of Companies, managed. Somebody let out the invitation to many presidents. Thank you. Thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you. I will call Shri Rajesh Bansal, please join us. If any of all these left and not being registered, please go one body. Please go in favor of the Thank you, Guruji. Thank you. Move forward. Shri Desai.
Thank you very much. बहुत बधाई हो. Thank you. With the
Dr. DC is here. Thank you, Rashidi. Thank you. We will definitely meet you.
बहुत पीछे से काम करते हैं.
Mamta Gandhi.
स्माइली आती.
Shri Nalan Singh. A famous movie artist.
Congratulations. A round of applause. Her services, her zeal and
Vice Secretary also to join us for the felicitation ceremony.
वो तारीफ कर रहे थे.
President of the Crown Plaza Cherry Road. Vice Secretary, please join us. Decision of blind, Malvinagar. I'm just announcing our awardees. If anybody is missed, please let us know. Srimati Seema Singh, Police Force, presently working in the President's Security.
Just a moment, Akash. I think this is not
very good.
Hello.
Congratulations, Seema ji.
I requested her to be in वर्दी. वर्दी में आइएगा.
और उससे पहले ललन जी को हमने फेलिसिटेट किया उनकी मूवी गांधी टू डिक्लेयर उनकी एज के हिसाब से एक ट्रिमेंडस एफर्ट है हमारे इंडिया के फ्रीडम फाइटर्स के लिए. थैंक यू ललन जी. प्लीज कंटिन्यू टू मेक मूवी सच मूवीज. प्लीज.
Backward zone from Uttar Pradesh in the zone of Gonda.
नीचे चेहरा कौन दिखाएगा? दूसरी दुकान में खड़ी. फोटो रेडी उनका. अब 1100 रुपये दो आदर्श
Anybody who has been not registered as an awardee, please let us know. There is a little confusion going on.
सर मैं एंकरिंग करती हूँ, सिंगिंग करती हूँ, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक सीखती हूँ, वॉइस ओवर करती हूँ.
इंटरेस्टेड इन गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड.
Why not?
एनडीके को
मैं नवनीतानी का कपिल सिब्बल साहब मुझे बुलाने के लिए मैं आपका अनामिका वंशी जी का धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि इतने अच्छे
लोगों को नौता दे रहे हैं.
चलिए हम बहुत बहुत
ऋषि जी.
धन्यवाद शीला दीक्षित जी का क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम क्योंकि लोग पूरे देश के कोने कोने से अगर आएंगे और साउथ अफ्रीका से आएंगे तो हमारा फर्ज बनता है कि सबका स्वागत किया जाए. You all can have a look. He's brand ambassador for promoting physically challenged people in our nation for Women's International Network. But this award is very but ये कभी भी सामने नहीं आते. And this gentleman is blessed with only one hand, that is left hand since birth, and he has represented our country 8 times, and he has got acclaims 8 times. So this international badminton sports person, I think we can ask Aditi to come and receive the award because even she's from the same school. May I have Aditi Tiwari from Birla?
2 मिनट और सर, बस 2 मिनट और. कुछ लोगों ने हमारा बहुत साथ दिया, उनका को भूला नहीं जा सकता. I would like Shri Kamalji to welcome Ashish Gupta, a young entrepreneur who has been a very supportive person for the organization.